Your words are like stones dropped into water. What you say and how you say it creates ripples you may never see. Welcome to the Invisible Stage Daily, your daily dose of inspiration to help you grow, lead, and show up with confidence. My name is Sabine Kvenberg, and today we are exploring the ripple effect of your words. Every conversation we have, every phrase we speak has impact. Sometimes that impact is immediate. You see someone's eyes light up when you encourage them. Other times, the impact is invisible. You may never know how far your words traveled. I'll never forget a woman who told me years later that something I had said to her in passing, just a sentence, stayed with her. She said it gave her courage at a moment when she was ready to give up. To me, it was small. To her, it was life-changing. That's the ripple effect. Our words don't stop when they leave our mouth. They move outward into conversations, decisions, into lives. But here is the other side. Negative words ripple too. Criticism, gossip, careless remarks. Those create ripples of doubt, pain, or discouragement. That's why the invisible stage of everyday speech is important. How you choose your words when no one is watching, when it feels like just small talk, is shaping more than you realize. This is why I believe our voices are sacred tools. They can build bridges, ignite hope, or open doors. They can also burn bridges, crush dreams, or close hearts. The choice is always ours. So, here is my challenge for you today. Be intentional with your words. Ask yourself before you speak, will this build up or will it tear down? And then choose words that create ripples of encouragement, love, and impact. And if you like to strengthen your ability to use words that inspire and influence, I'd love to invite you to the Vibrant Voices Network. It's a community where your voice is valued, your story is celebrated, and your growth is supported. Inside, you'll experience weekly Zoom Q&A sessions, monthly master classes, community events, and spotlight opportunities where you can practice your voice and witness the ripple effect firsthand. Together, we amplify one another's voices. Together, our ripples become waves. Remember, your words have power, far beyond what you see. Make your ripples count. Master the moments no one sees to lead the moments everyone remembers. If you enjoyed today's message, share it with your community, because you never know who could benefit from this message, who needs to hear this message today. Thanks for being here, and thanks for being a supporter.